What's going on, guys? Day number 28. Welcome back to the channel. For those of you that are joining us for the first time, make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification so you know when I'm dropping another video or going live on YouTube. Also, if you already are a subscriber, we're here, guys. If you've been following along, we are on day number 29. All right, so in this video, we're going to build this 0 to 10K series out a little bit more, guys. Going into a little bit more intricacy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get right into the video, and make sure you watch all the way to the end, because at the end of this video, I will be giving my bonuses. I'll see you at the end.
Hey guys, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a $100 per day method. It's a simple two-step method that I've been implementing for the past, it's been 47 days now, and we've earned nearly $6,000 in this one income stream leveraging this method. So I'm going to outline it to you in complete detail. And by the way, we're here on this private beach in beautiful Miami, and the weather is absolutely perfect. And in Utah, it was about, 35 degrees, 40 degrees maybe for the past 3-4 months. So I'm really loving it out here, and just enjoying what this passive income lifestyle brings us, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead, jump into the computer. I'm going to show you this step by step. All right, so as you guys can see right here, we've brought in nearly $6,000 since I started this campaign on the 23rd of January. We're now on the 10th of March. And this thing is just still kicking off, and it's crushing it so far. And we're slowly starting to scale this campaign up. But essentially what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to show you exactly how you can start copying this exact campaign. So there's a few tools that you're going to need to go ahead and copy this campaign. The first tool is HBA, which is an actual product. And let me go ahead and just pull it up right here. And essentially what it is it's a digital product that teaches entrepreneurs how to start and grow an online business. So think of it as an online university. So whether you want to build a following that can be monetized on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, this teaches you not only how to build that following, but then how to monetize it. And anybody out there that's alive and walking needs to have a brand online, needs to have an income from that brand online that is supplementational to whatever it is that you're already currently doing. And this is something that you can do very, very part-time. So what you want to do is you click the first link in the description below. That is step 1. And you're going to come to this page that looks something like this. You can feel free to watch the video. You can scroll down to learn more about it. I kind of gave you a short summary, but then all you need to do is click on yes, I want access for just $25. It's going to take you to this page right here. All you need to do is fill out your contact information, billing, payment. And then this is super, super important right here on this step is you want to check this box and add the free 14-day test drive of HBA Premium, okay? Because we're going to be using the tool within HBA Premium, one of the specific tools, as well as a couple of the trainings that you're going to need to implement over the course of the next few days. So that is simply step 1, is to join the Home Business Academy. After you do that, what's going to happen is you're going to go ahead and you're going to log in. So when you log in, you're going to come to a page that looks something like this. And let me actually go back. It's going to look exactly like this. And all you need to do right now, do not worry about these other links or these links here. What you're going to do is go to Affiliate Zone. When you go to Affiliate Zone, you're going to go ahead and watch this video right here. and you're going to sign up for the affiliate program here. This is the affiliate program for the Home Business Academy. And once you sign up and you log into your SamCart, so you're going to click here, you're going to sign up, then you're going to click here and log in. Once you log in, it's going to take you to this page right here. This is the same page that you saw at the beginning of this video, right? And this shows your total commissions for sales within HBA. And you have all your affiliate links right here. What we're going to do is we're going to take note of this specific affiliate link right here, which is the all-in-one $25 business affiliate link. And we're going to be using this affiliate link here very, very soon. So once you've got your affiliate account set up, once you've created your HBA account, then we are ready for the next step, which is to get a subscription to My Lead Gen Secret. Now, the importance of getting a subscription here is the fact that there are two different types of traffic out there. Traffic being website visitors, right? Because what we want to do is we want to get as many website visitors to this affiliate link as possible. So to do that, we need to leverage traffic strategies. And there's email traffic, there's Facebook traffic, there's YouTube traffic, Instagram, right? We talked about building a following and an audience at the beginning of this video. Now, doing that organically, aka free, can take a lot of time. It takes a lot of effort to do that. And you can expect really 60 to 90 days before you really bear the fruits of your labor. In other words, you're going to work, you're going to create videos, you're going to create content, you're going to write blog posts, or, it might be Facebook posts on your Facebook wall. Over time, the algorithm will detect that you're taking a lot of action and then increase the impressions to your audience and even audiences beyond your audience. So real quickly, before we continue with this video, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and tick the bell icon, because this is part of a video series where I'm showing you exactly how to go from $0 to $10,000 per month working online part-time. So to be notified of tomorrow's video, make sure that you subscribe and you tick that bell icon. With that being said, let's get back into the training. So in the beginning, I recommend just knowing the expectation of free advertising. Then it's going to take time. But because of consistency, and after you've done it for a certain amount of time, you're going to start getting a flood of free traffic. So just think about free traffic as just that. It's going to take some time. Do not quit too soon. And while you're doing one free traffic strategy, okay, whether it be, and I'm going to show you the exact strategy that I'm implementing, you want to also implement a paid traffic strategy. And that is exactly where My Lead Gen Secret comes into play. This is really cool because with My Lead Gen Secret and paid traffic, you pay for the leads and potential sales, where with money versus with free advertising, you're paying with your time. Okay, so you need to understand how both of these different strategies will work. So to get results fairly quickly out of the gate, what we want to do is we want to leverage paid traffic. So we can just simply pay, get website visitors very quickly, get leads very, very quickly, and potential sales very, very quickly. And then as we're doing our paid traffic every single day, then we can also do our long-term strategy, which is our free traffic strategy. Okay, again, we'll talk about that in just a second. But what you want to do is you want to follow the next step below and get access to My Lead Gen Secret, because what we're going to be doing is we're going to be heading over to the HBA Premium, which is what you just paid the trial for. So the $25 is going to be the Funnel Builder Academy, and the HBA Premium is that free 14-day trial that you just took. And what we're going to do is we're going to head over there right now, and we're going to use Immersion Magic Content Machine. This is a built-in AI software that's really, really cool, that's actually going to write an email for us, okay? Because we're going to be implementing email marketing within My Lead Gen Secret. So what My Lead Gen Secret's going to do is once we sign up, it's going to send us 100 leads per day that we can then email. And that builds up over time. After 30 days, you've got 3,000 emails that you can send out, right? So super, super powerful stuff. Or 3,000, leads that you can send 3,000 emails per day to, right? And then that just continues after the 30 days. You get another 100 leads each day thereafter. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and log into My Lead Gen Secret. We're going to click on Create a Message. And then we're going to jump back over to HBA, and we're going to tell Immersion Magic Content Machine to create an email for us. And we'll just go ahead and say, because we want to know what the Home Business Academy is, what it entails, we want to have some knowledge of the product that we're promoting. So essentially what we did is we joined the Home Business Academy. We became an affiliate. Now we're actually going to go ahead and promote it to others, because the best way to make money online is to earn while you learn. So what we're going to do is we're going to type in, can you write an email on how to make money online in 5 minutes per day? And we'll just click on Go Immersion. So we're just going to give this a couple seconds. And there's going to be another link to a video below. This is the first version of this very video where I walk you through the same exact process. And this will give you even more ideas to implement when it comes to the Immersion Magic Content Machine. And check it out. Look, it gives us a subject and it gives us the body. So this is 5 easy ways to make money online in 5 minutes per day. So we don't need 5 easy ways, and we can modify this however we want. So let's go ahead and let's click on Go Immersion again and see if it will create another result that's not like a 5 ways, because we don't really need that. We just need a email that will pre-sell this specific program for us. So let's see if it comes up with something else. So it's thinking. The power of AI is pretty spectacular. So make money online in just 5 minutes per day. So what we'll actually do is, this is actually really cool. We can copy this whole email. So let's just copy the whole entire thing. And I could reword my email if I want to, but we're doing this on the fly. I can even put, can you write an email on how to, let's see, on a $25 digital product that I'm trying to sell, right? We'll click on it again, but while it's thinking there, we want to select all of our leads, right? So we actually clicked on select all of your leads here. It'll add all the leads over to this column here. And then we're going to scroll down and we're going to go ahead and delete this part and we're going to paste. And then of course, we're going to take the subject right here. We're going to copy it and we're going to paste it right here. And then we're going to put, are you interested in ways to make money from home? Do you have limited time but still want to generate extra income? If so, you can easily make money online in just 5 minutes per day. The best part is there are several options to choose from and each requires minimal effort on your part. Let's see, one specific option is my favorite and works for me every time. You can use this same method. You can copy this same method for yourself and start producing up to $100 plus per day. So you'll see that I'm slightly modifying it. And then I'll put click here to learn more. Let's see. Click here to learn more. And then we'll just do best wishes. And then I'll put my name right here. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to jump over to our affiliate back office here. We're going to copy this link and we're going to go ahead and we're going to jump back over here and we're going to highlight this area, click on the anchor text link here, and we're going to paste and click on OK. And then we're going to click on perfect timing and then we're going to click on send email. Now, after we do that, it's going to send your email to your first 100 leads. And let me just jump back over here. And here's an example of yet another email. So it says, get your hands on our latest digital product. We have great news. And again, you can modify this however you want. Our new digital product is designed to help you make the most of your time and money. As a special offer is available, discounted price of only $25. So the better that you use the immersive magic content machine, the better that you can explain exactly what you need it to generate, the better results that it's going to give you, as you can see right here. So now that we've fully implemented our paid method, we now want to implement a free method. So what we're going to do is, again, make sure you're on HBA Premium section here, and you're going to go to Get Traffic Free, and I want you to watch two videos: the YouTube ranking video and the easy button YouTube strategy video. So every single day, what I'm doing, obviously I created this video on YouTube, is I'm doing one paid traffic strategy and one free traffic strategy. And the key is consistency every single day. So I'm showing you guys live exactly what I'm doing. I did my mailing out through MLGS. So I did my paid strategy, and I've done my YouTube video, which is the free strategy. So all you need to do is duplicate exactly what it is that I'm doing, so you too can start generating these results. So go ahead, set up your HBA account, then set up your affiliate account for HBA, then set up MLGS, then send out your MLGS email, then go to the HBA Premium and the Get Traffic Free section and watch the YouTube ranking and the easy button YouTube strategy and implement that every day as well. So hope you guys enjoyed the value within this video. Go ahead, go out there, take action, produce massive results, and you too can have a business and a life that you absolutely love, whether you want to travel the world, spend more time with your family, take more vacations, whatever it is, this can help you do just that.
All right, guys. So like I said, for those of you that stayed all the way to this section of the video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be giving you access to my bonuses. But once again, if you are brand new to the channel and you are watching this, you want to go ahead and go back to day number 1, okay, and watch the video series all the way through. I have a playlist. This is part of my 0 to 10K playlist. So you could go ahead and start with video number 1. But listen, for those of you that want access to my bonuses, what you need to do, it's very simple. All right, in the multiple income funnel, you have access to E1U Life. Okay, for those of you that join me in Vertex Live, okay, Vertex Live, you have to join me at Vertex Live. I'm going to hook you up with a silver package of Traffic Authority, which is another income stream that you can earn from in the multiple income funnel. I'm going to hook you up with 510 to 570 clicks. That's a $660 value, guys. So I'm going to be hooking you up with extra bonuses. So this is how it works. You sign up here at the Vertex Live level. Also, let me show you guys what you're going to get at the Vertex Live level, so that you know exactly what it is. Okay, you have your website built for you. All these things that are built for you. You have a website built out for you, exactly how you want to have it done for you. Very, very easy. For those of you that join me in the Vertex Live, okay, what you're going to do is you're going to give me your link. I'm going to go right here. I'm going to take your link and I'm going to paste it right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and place the order. It's that simple, guys. So once again, send me the link. Email me your link. You could find me on Facebook. You can email me, or you can even comment your link on one of my videos here in the series, guys. So that was day number 78. You're not going to want to miss day number 29. We're going to be integrating something new into the 0 to 10K system, so you're not going to want to miss that. With that being said, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye for now.